Let me show you how to transfer your TikTok account to another phone. If you got a new iPhone or Android, you can always transfer that TikTok account to the new phone. I'll show you how to do it. Now, on your new phone, open up the App Store or Google Play Store. And of course, we just need to first download the TikTok app here. So just type in TikTok and then go to it and download and install it on your new phone. The nice thing is that all of your information lives in the TikTok app on the servers. So just open up the TikTok app on your new phone and you'll see a screen that looks like this. Now you have a couple different options. If you haven't already, you can choose to sign up. But if you already have an account, you can tap use phone number, email, etc. And now from here, I can go through the process of entering in my phone number. And from here, it will text me a code, or I can just use the password. So you can see there, it texts me that code. And just like that, I can log in. Sometimes it doesn't quite work and you need to try it again. So I'm going to just try this again. If that doesn't work, you can always go back, choose email and username, enter in your email and username to be able to log in. Or if you go back, you can try Facebook, Apple, or Google to be able to sign into TikTok. Keep in mind, you do need that password. If you don't, you'll need access to the email or phone number to recover it, and then everything will get back.